Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year.
Kaya? Okay lang mo. Ang taas ha, ang taas ha. Oo, sige, sige. Ang taas ha, step na yun, dalawa. Ito may hawakan o.
So the bricks outside are from the different times, but the main construction of the church there is from the 9th century. So it still makes the church 1,100 years old. So we can now go inside. And each of you will be able to enter this church. It's some kind of the dress code for the ladies. You should put a scarf on your head. You cannot do this. It's just the dress code is up to you. You can do this, you can do not. Maybe they will be angry on it, maybe not. It depends on them.
Video is allowed?
Videos inside of the church, no. On the territory of the monastery, yes. Inside of the church, no.
Today we'll taste 4 bestseller wines and 1 stronger. So let's go.
Apat lang daw.
Okay guys, take it up. Okay guys, come closer. So right here we have our first wine, it's called Chaveri. Chaveri is from west side of Georgia, from Buria, and Chaveri is white, dry wine. But grape is red. So how we make white wine from red grapes, it's called European way. We peel the grape and only skin is red. There's actually you don't have to make a process for this grape. If we smash grape with the skin, then wine color will be pink, like rosy color. But in this occasion, without skin, and that's why this wine is white. This wine is like champagne because it's a little bit sparkling and it's green apple flavor, but all natural. We don't have anything inside. Okay, so here we have Twishi. Twishi is also a microzone where this grape grows, but grape name is Tolikauri. Tolikauri is white grape. Wine is also white, but this one is semi-sweet. This wine is very popular with ladies, and this wine is great with desserts, with salads, and with fruits, because this wine is also fruity. People ask if you add sugar inside for sweetness, but answer is always no. In here, it's 100% natural. And Twishi is limited edition.
Whoa, semi-sweet.
Every single game, I'm so powerful.
Hey, go, 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 go!